Faithfull have a great range of storage. This is the 22-piece starter storage bin kit. Superb quality, hard polypropylene, oil resistant, solvent resistant, really quality this is. And as you can see from the picture, it's a storage rack. It's actually back panels, bins, spanner racks, tool racks, and you make it all up yourself. So let's see what's inside, let's see the quality of the products. Okay, so 9 bins. Great thing with these bins as well, as you can see, for storage when they're not in use, they easily fit inside each other. But great little feature on here that if they were full of items, varying different items, there's some clips on the back, both the feet, that's for clipping it onto the back panel. These little recesses here fit into these little recesses there, which allow you to stand the products on top of each other. So again, you're not going to crush anything that's in there if it was small, but obviously it's accessible and you can have everything ready, take away. So again, something that Faith are always thinking about, making these things different. You have a spanner rack. A spanner rack and the tool clips are clipped onto there, so you take them apart. So these are your wall panels, fit those securely onto the wall, and you take the product, the bins, into whichever order you prefer. The bit on the back just literally hooks over, and there it is, securely fastened. Once that's on the wall, it'll be really strong and secure. Everything's handy. You've got your spanner racks that clip on. You can have it in whatever assortment you like, whichever variety of how you lay it out, it's entirely up to you. As we said earlier, polypropylene, solvent resistant, oil resistant. Really great quality from Faithfull as you expect. 5-year guarantee on this starter kit. 22 pieces, a great item for the home, office, wherever you need to store products. Need them close at hand, this starter kit will get you out of trouble. A great product from Faithfull Tools.